Hi, this is Andrea from Your Marketing Machines. Fantastic to have you here and welcome to our frequently asked questions page. Over the years I've been asked hundreds and hundreds of questions looking for definition, explanations and information to a myriad of different questions. And so here, this is what I would like to do for you. If you have a particular question that has not been answered here on this page, this is what I'm going to ask of you. See the box to the right? That one over there. That is the answer your question box. And what I'm going to ask of you is this. Please leave us your name, your contact details, and the question that you would like us to answer for you. So please, in the meantime, enjoy the information that you find here on the frequently asked questions. And if there's anything that my team and I can do for you, do not hesitate to contact us on www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au. See you then.